Okay, in order to extend this part, see, to stretch the shoe, you need to hold this piece of wood, hold this knot, turn it this way. Keep turning. Keep turning. Continue turning. Until it's tight. Okay? The wood may reach all the way to the knot. The more you want to stretch, you can turn it as tight as you can. This way. Okay? Shaking the knot this way doesn't do anything. It doesn't help. This is not the way to use it. If you want to expand this side, turn this. Okay? This will expand. Okay? If you want to remove it, turn it the other way around. Okay? Hold this wood. Hold this wood. Turn here. You can even turn it here, or you can turn it here. The way works.